How to use a CPN for loans, credit cards, apartments. So most people, or some people think CPNs have a limit. Some people think you can't get a lot of things with a CPN. But really you can get anything under a CPN, especially if you have it under your name. If you have it under your name, you can do anything you want. But of course, if the CPN has, a random name, you will have to just make documents to get approved for certain things, okay? But having it under a name will definitely make it more guaranteed when it comes to these approvals, okay? So right in front of me, I have a 790 CPN. So this one, I bought it off of CPN package, okay? But on my videos, I bought several CPNs. I bought some from Tron Network, Nation Credit Lines. But what you can expect with a CPN from these companies are credit card approvals. So sometimes when you apply for certain lenders, it's not always, what you expect. So I got an example right here. This one is from PenFed, 7,500. Okay. Then you got another one for 9,500. So these are pretty much RAM mines. Sometimes you can get a 5,000 approval. Some lenders give you a 10,000 approval. So this is what you got approved for several credit cards at a time. So really, you can only apply for 10 credit cards with a high 700 credit score. Okay. And this is one of my text messages, one of my clients from the past. So basically, I help them do a balance transfer with their credit cards and stuff, and I help them get a loan as well. So basically, you can do balance transfers. The more credit cards you have, it's easier to do balance transfers. So let's say you have 10 credit cards with 10K each. You can only do $1,000 balance transfer, so you can rack up 10 racks straight to your bank account. But it's always good to use your own credit instead of CPN sometimes. But this is one of the good CPNs you guys can get to apply for a loan. So basically, you purchase this. They'll provide you with the CPN info, Credit Karma logins, credit score, tradelines, all that stuff. But you will need to have make a new email address. But you can attach your info onto the CPN, which could take 24 hours. After they attach the info, you let use your own ID. But they can customize the ID for you. They can send you scans. Hard copies, probably extra. And this one, you can definitely get, approved for loans and stuff as well, probably up to 10K. Credit cards around 5K. Amex haven't done it yet. And they also have, this one from another company, Nation Credit Lines. This is a loan package, okay, CPN loan package. But this one, you can get approved for credit cards, but it has lots of trade lines. This one, you can also get a car as well, apartments. This one, they already, have pre-applied credit cards. So for $40, you get about 3 credit cards with 10K each. Basically, they already apply it for you, so they can literally ship the cards to your address for you to use. But if you guys max out the credit cards, it will hurt the CPN, so make sure you guys only spend up to 15% per card. And of course, you can apply for more credit cards. You guys can get an apartment with this, But pretty much, all these CPNs you can get approved for basically anything the same as a social security number. You can get apartment, you can get a car, you can get financing, A-Firm, Afterpay, Klarna, those, buy, pay later apps. Literally anything, guys. Credit cards, loans, same thing. You just have to prove your identity. Once you guys prove the identity with the documents, your bank statements, IDs or scans, whatever, you guys can get approved for anything. You guys can rack up a lot of bread, do the balance transfers, or do Airbnbs, or do Toro for your cars. Well, that'll be pretty much it, guys. Try out the CPNs. I'll leave the websites in the description. My Telegram link is in the description as well.